El Nino is when the Pacific water in a zone off of South America that extends from South America out into the Central Pacific becomes warmer than normal.
Bunting, chief scientist at Climate Adaptation Center in Sarasota, says he is interested in seeing how the record high sea surface temperatures and the El Nino will interact during the hurricane season. Mark Barassa, professor of meteorology at Florida State University, and Bunting both agree. During the El Nino, the odds are in our favor. We will have less destructive hurricanes in the formation areas this hurricane season.
But it shifts the jet streams, and what happens is that wind shear in the hurricane formation areas of the Atlantic Basin usually increases as the El Ninos increase.
Bunting says, due to this wind shear increasing during El Ninos, hurricanes are not as destructive. Mark Barassa says El Ninos change the atmospheric circulation globally, but he also says it will have a major impact on this year's hurricane season here on the Suncoast.
Winds aloft be different than the winds below. So if the winds below the hurricane are moving at the same speed as the winds aloft, you tend to have a better chance of the hurricane forming. But if they move at different speeds or in different directions, then it pulls the top off the hurricane, and they don't form well under those conditions.
The developing El Nino is expected to last 3 to 5 years, and it is going to bring wetter weather here on the Suncoast, especially during the winter. Reporting in Sarasota, Alex Vaughn, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.